Hello, myself Ravikant Nandawadagi from Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Today I am going to give presentation on renewable sources of energy, Unit 5, course outcome CO5. Subject is environmental sustainability, first semester, civil engineering department. Unit 5, renewable sources of energy. And today the topic, advantages of solar collectors. First advantage is zero fuel cost. Solar collectors do not need any fuel like most other renewable energy sources. This is undoubtedly a significant advantage over fossil fuels, the cost of which is going up rapidly every year. Due to this reason, electricity prices are also increasing fast in more parts of the world, faster than general inflation. That means the first advantage of solar collector is zero fuel cost. Cost for the fuel consumption is zero. Second advantage is can produce both electricity and heat. That means concentrating solar collectors deliver heat at a much higher temperature. Due to higher temperatures, it is possible for the power generation equipment to generate both electricity and heat. So, by using the solar collectors, we can produce electricity as well as the heat. Next advantage, round the clock availability of electricity. That means concentrated solar collectors make it possible to produce electricity 24 hours a day by storing the energy. Other forms of renewable energy like wind energy are intermittent. So compared to other forms of renewable energy resource, that means wind energy, the solar collectors provide the electricity for about 24 hours a day. Next advantage is no carbon emission. Concentrated solar collectors do not cause any carbon emission, which is a great advantage. So it is a eco-friendly. There is no carbon emissions into the atmosphere. And next advantage is job creation. Concentrated solar power production can create more permanent jobs and boost the economy as compared to other types of renewable energy resources. Next is solar water heater. A solar water heater is a device that captures sunlight to heat water. It can be an sanitary use throughout the year without emitting any carbon dioxide. Economical way to generate hot water for your family, that is for shower and bath. So solar water heater is a device that captures sunlight to heat water, and it can be used for the sanitary use throughout the year, which does not emit carbon dioxide into atmosphere, and also economical way to generate the hot water for our family, that is for shower and bath. A solar heater not only enables substantial energy savings as solar power is free in contrast to natural gas or fuel oil. Compared to this natural gas or fuel oil, it is freely available source, that is solar radiation. How does a solar water heater works? In the picture you can see the solar collectors mounted on the rooftop. Light is absorbed by solar collector. The solar water heater absorbs light by means of a collector placed on the roof and converts it into heat. These collectors converts the radiation into heat. Heat transferred to water tank. The heat is then passed to a water tank by means of a circulating pump. This exchange is triggered by the thermal regulator but exclusively when the collector is hotter than the water in the tank. This is not only prevents the circulating pumps from needlessly using electricity but conversely also avoids overheating. Insufficient sunlight, backup heating system. When there is insufficient sunlight, the water is preheated and a backup system takes over to bring the water to the required temperature. This system can therefore be used at a constant temperature throughout the year. Advantages of solar water heater. First advantage, choice of size. Proper sizing is essential as homeowners must have enough storage to meet 90 to 100% of their hot water needs. Storage volume is also a consideration. A 50 to 60 gallon storage tank is fine for up to 3 people and 80 gallon tank for up to 4 people and a larger one for as many as 6 people. This is the first advantage of solar water heater, that is choice of size. It can be available for the usable size. Second advantage is less space. Solar thermal panels are usually less space intensive than photovoltaic panels. Fewer are required to heat water than in array used to produce sufficient power for a home. Less space requirement. Next advantage, high efficiency. About 80% of the sun's radiation is turned into the heat energy needed to obtain hot water at home. So solar water heater converts the 80% of solar radiation. So it consume 80% of solar radiation to heat the water. Next advantage, cost savings. The cost of 2 or 3 panels is cheaper than larger domestic installations. You also save on fuel bills for supplying gas heating systems. Next advantage is low maintenance. After installation, little maintenance is required and a solar water heater can run for up to 20 years. So it can run up to 20 years long duration. Next advantage is lower carbon footprint. Most importantly, lower carbon footprint. A home can be eco-friendlier plus tax incentives may be available for using renewable energy. So, as well as it is not emitting the carbon into atmosphere, it becomes eco-friendlier plus tax incentives is also available for using these kind of renewable energy. Next is solar stills. Solar still distills water with substances dissolved in it by using the heat of the sun to evaporate water so that it may be cooled and collected, thereby purifying it. They are used in areas where drinking water is unavailable, so that clean water is obtained from dirty water or from plants by exposing them to sunlight. Though dirty water is purified and becomes the clean water for the consumption. In the picture, you can see solar radiation. So, sea water evaporates and it is cooled, condensed, then it becomes fresh water. The sun's energy heats water to the point of evaporation. As the water evaporates, the water vapor rises, condensing into water again as it cools and can then be collected. This process leaves behind impurities such as salts and heavy metals and eliminates microbiological organisms. The end result is pure distilled drinking water. In the picture, so see dirty water becoming the fresh water, leaving the all the dirty particles behind and also salt contents. Uses of solar stills. Solar stills are used in cases where rain, piped or well water is impractical, such as in remote homes or during power outages. In subtropical hurricane target areas that can lose power for days, solar distillation can provide an alternative source of clean water. So, solar distills are used where there is no rain or the rain availability is very much less. Then it is multiple choice questions. First question is, dash are the advantages of solar collector? Option A, zero fuel cost, can produce both electricity and heat. C, round the clock availability of electricity. D, all of the above. Answer is D, that is all the options A, B, C are the advantages of solar collectors, that is zero fuel cost. B, can produce both electricity and heat. C, round the clock availability of electricity, that is 24-hour availability of electricity. Second question is, solar collectors make it possible to produce electricity dash hours a day by storing the energy. Option A, 10, B, 15, C, 24, D, none of the above. Answer is C, 24 hours. So, solar collectors make it possible to produce electricity 24 hours a day by storing the energy. Third question is, due to higher temperatures, it is possible for solar collector equipment to generate both dash. Option A, only electricity. B, only heat. C, both electricity and heat. D, none of the above. Answer is C, both electricity and heat. That is, due to higher temperatures, it is possible for solar collector equipment to generate both electricity and heat. Fourth question is, dash forms of renewable energy are intermittent. Option A, wind energy. B, solar energy. C, both wind and solar energy. D. None of the above. Answer is A, that is wind energy. Wind energy forms of renewable energy are intermittent. Fifth question is, concentrated solar power production can dash as compared to other types of renewable energy resources. Option A, create more jobs. B, boost economy. C, create more jobs and boost economy. D, none of the above. Answer is C, that is create more jobs and boost economy. Concentrated solar power production can create more jobs and boost economy as compared to other types of renewable energy sources. Sixth question is, following are the advantages of solar water heater. A, choice of size. B, less space. C, high efficiency. D, all of the above. Answer is D, all of the above. That is choice of the size, less space, high efficiency are the advantages of solar water heater. Question number 7. In solar water heater system, dash gallon storage tank is fine for up to 3 people. Option A 60, B 70, C 80, D 55. Answer is C 80. In solar water heater system, 80-gallon storage tank is fine for up to 3 people. Eighth question, about dash percent of the sun's radiation is turned into the heat energy needed to obtain hot water at home. Option A 50, option B 60, option C 65, option D 80. Answer is D 80. About 80% of the sun's radiation is turned into the heat energy needed to obtain hot water at home. Next question. Dash distills water with substances dissolved in it by using the heat of the sun. Option A, solar collector. Option B, solar still. Option C, solar water heater. Option D, none of the above. Answer is B, solar still. Solar still distills water with substances dissolved in it by using the heat of the sun. Last question. A solar water heater is a device that captures sunlight to heat water. It can be an sanitary use throughout the year without emitting any dash. Option A, oxygen. Option B, carbon dioxide. Option C, nitrogen. Option D, none of the above. Answer is B, that is carbon dioxide. A solar water heater is a device that captures sunlight to heat water. It can be an sanitary use throughout the year without emitting any carbon dioxide. Thank you.